Namaste children. How are you all? Yes, I hope everyone is fine. Today we are going to know about the second lesson. It is a poem. Second chapter, it is a poem. In previous video we learned the introduction of the poem. Yes children, it is also a bird which is on the seashore. Yes children, in previous video we talked about migrated bird which is flying from one country to another country. But here we are talking about a bird which is on the seashore. Let me go to the explanation. Yes, let us start our explanation. Yes children. Hi children. Keep 26/9/2020 in your notebook and write the heading of the lesson, The Bird on the Seashore. The bird on the seashore, we are talking about a sticky skin of oil. Sticky skin of oil means dirt on the surface of water or on the body also we could say, which is the dirt on our skin. That is also a meaning. Understand children? It may be a dirt on our skin or it may be a dirt on the surface of water. Yes children, in this poem, the poet is telling us, if any bird or an animal stuck into the sticky skin of oil, if any bird or an animal stuck into the sticky skin of oil, they need someone's help to save the bird, or an animal. Understand? Likewise, they found a father and a boy found a seagull. Seagull means bird. They found a seagull which is stuck into the sticky skin of oil, and it was half dead on the seashore. It is half dead on the seashore. Yes children, did you understand till this? What is floating on the sea? Yes, a sticky skin of oil floating on the sea. What is the meaning of sticky skin of oil? Yes, it is a dirt. What happens if any bird or animal stuck into that? Yes, someone needs help to remove it or save them. Yes, children. Likewise, who found a gull on the seashore? A father and a boy found a seagull on the seashore which is half dead. Half dead means almost it is dead. Understand? It is not died fully, half dead with half life. But what did they do? Yes, they wrapped into the towel. Wrapped means cover it. Wrapped means cover. They wrapped in a towel. Who wrapped the bird in the towel? Father. Who wrapped the bird into the towel? Father and father. A boy. Father and a boy wrapped the bird into towel. Do they know to clean the bird? They do not know. What did the father say to his son? His father said, let us take this bird to an expert. Expert means who knows about particular thing. Suppose when we get fever or toothache, where we are going? The specialization doctor. Yes children, for tooth we are going to tooth pain, we are going to dentist. Yes children, likewise he is also one going to an expert who is studying of birds. Who is studying of birds. Here you may think that he may be a doctor. He may be a doctor who studies about of birds. Who studies of birds. Yes, children. He who studies the birds. He may be expert in the birds. He may be a doctor. So his father said, let us take this bird to an expert. They planned and they took to expert. The expert cleaned and scrubbed. Cleaned and scrubbed. The expert. What did the expert do? The expert, what did he do? Cleaned. You know what is the meaning of cleaned? Cleaned and scrubbed. It is also one type of cleaning. Cleaned and scrubbed the bird. Clean and scrubbed the bird, and they showed the sticky skin of oil to their boy and the father. What is the sticky skin of oil? Yes, dirt. The dirt which is on the bird, he showed to his father and him. Yes, children. Yes. So now the bird is saved. The bird is saved by, yes, children, the boy and his father. Yes. Now the sticky skin of oil is floating on the sea, and any bird caught in it needs one's help to be free. Yes, children, a sticky skin of oil is floating on the seashore. One's help to be free. In first stanza, we learned a sticky skin of oil is floating on the sea, needs someone's help to break free. But in last stanza, needs someone's help to be free. As children, animals and birds cannot take care of themselves on their own. Someone's means some human beings needs help to save them. Yes, through this poem, we learned how to care the birds when they are in difficult situations. Yes, children, we have to take care of birds and animals. Those are surrounding us. Yes, children. Yes, and also when the father wrapped the bird in the towel, the bird started to peck the father's hand. Pecked means strucking with its beak. Strucking with its beak. Yes, children. Yes. So it is strucking. They helped the bird and saved the bird. Yes, children. Now today you have the question answers. You write these questions in your notebook. What is floating on the sea? What is floating on the sea? What did the expert do? What did the expert do? What do you understand through this poem? What do you understand through this poem? What did you understand through this poem? Yes, we have to take care of the birds when they are in difficult situation. Yes, children. Yes, this poem is written by Brian Moses. What is the name of the poet? Brian Brian Moses. Brian Moses. He is a poet of children. He used to write children's poems. Children poems. Yes, children. He is famous writing in children poems. Understand? You have to write these 3 question answers in your notebook and also complete the textbook exercises. This is from regarding the poem, this exercise, and also you have to write opposites of these words. Yes, children, opposites of these words, and also these are the rhyming words. Already you learnt in previous classes. What is a rhyming word? Yes, children, reading this you have to complete the same rhyming word here also. Yes, children. Yes. And if have time, try to write a poem of 6 lines on the sea or a bird or an animal, any animal, or sea or bird or any animal. Minimum 6 lines. Yes, children? Yes, it is composing, it is writing skills of yours. You could write any poem and you recite this poem. Recite this poem. Yes, children? Did you understand your homework? Once again I am repeating. You have to complete this. Choose the correct answers. This opposites and rhyming words and writing of the poem and recitation. Read this poem very loudly to get the correct pronunciation. Yes, children, will you send me after writing these question answers and the textbook exercises? You send me to my WhatsApp number. Thank you.